Hey, Kami, Mr. Popo. Long time no see.
I've been waiting for you, Goku.
Oh? What's up?
Well, I have something to tell you about the Dragon Balls.
Shenron under the weather or something?
No. You see, my life is nearing its end. Call it an old man's intuition.
What?
No need to dwell on the matter. It's simply a feeling.
If you say so. But not all hunches come true, you know.
Indeed. But should you have any wishes, let us err on the side of caution and act now.
Gotta think this through. Got it, Kami! Uh-oh. I'd better head on back now. Piccolo and the others. They're over there.
Hey! Goku!
Yajirobe, what's up? Let me guess. You need help with something?
Yeah, you guessed right.
Yeah? What is it?
Senzu beans. Old Korin's growing a new batch of them. They're still gonna need some fertilizer, though. So I thought that you might be up to the task of getting some.
Me? Why don't you do it?
Oh, because I'm busy.
Doesn't look to me like you're doing anything.
Shut it! You and Krillin are probably gonna use most of the Senzu beans anyway. So why not help a little? Do your part. Jeez.
I guess you have a point.
Man, this guy's so easy. That's more like it. I'll tell you what you need to do. All right, then. Take a look. That's the fertilizer I need. It's in the sacred land of Korin. Made it easy for you. I marked where to find it on your map. See here? You'll find it all the way down at the bottom of this tower. All right, that should be enough info. You got it?
Yep. See you later. Well, Korin does help me out a bunch with his senzu beans, so I should help him out once in a while. This is divine water, isn't it? Well, it's called that, but it's just normal water. I was supposed to take this from Korin as part of my training. Man, that was tough. I wonder what Yajirobe does up here all day. Train, maybe? Nah. Is he taking a cat nap?
Hey!
But he's definitely good with a sword. I I remember when I first met him. He cut that monster clean in two. I bet he'd make a really strong fighter if he actually trained. I managed to make my way up this tower when I was a kid. Well, Korin does help me out a bunch with his sensu beans, so I should help him out once in a while. Yep. All right. I wonder what Yajirobe does up here all day. Train, maybe? Nah, he doesn't look like he trains. What's this? This looks like a great apple. But he's definitely good with a sword. I remember when I first met him. He cut that monster clean in two. I bet he'd make a really strong fighter if he actually trained. Something's there. Want a tango? I'll take you on. Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. Try this! Try this! Whew! Huh. I see why Yajirobe was reluctant to do this himself. Well, I can't complain. It's good check and check. I got what you wanted!
Awesome, I knew you'd pull through, Goku. Just wait right there. Hey, Korin, look! I got the stuff for you!
You nincompoop! You can't pull one over on me. Goku's the one who got it. You're slower than a freaking sloth.
Hey, weren't you sleeping?
I was meditating, you idiot. All right, I've had it up to here with you. Let me teach you a thing or two. Your punishment will be very creative.
Oh, come on, man.
I appreciate the hard work, Goku. I'll split these sensu beans with you once they're ready.
Thanks a million, Korin. That took longer than I thought it would. I'd better hurry back to Piccolo and Gohan. I've been gone, Piccolo's been looking after Gohan. He's even been training him. Sounds like he really toughened him up. So I'm grateful for that. Gohan's taking a real liking to Piccolo. Those two actually make a pretty great team. Training's gonna be great. Can't wait to join them for sessions.
You can learn a lot.
Hey, don't compare me to...
All right! This apple looks extra juicy. Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. Roshi and everyone are doing? Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. Might cause some trouble later. Best I'm pumped up and ready to go. Yeah, for this! You should train some more. Like this! Yeah! All right. Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now.
By you.
Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. Yeah! Alright, I could really go for... Alright, let's do this! Alright! Found some tasty looking food.
I shall grant you any wish. State your wish.
How's that sound?
Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now.
Dad!
Sorry about that. Now, what do you say we start out with training? All right, for starters, I want the both of you to come at me.
Both of us? Are you seriously that full of yourself? Gohan, I want to see you at your full power. Try and catch him off guard and overwhelm him.
Okay.
Let's see what you two can do. Don't hold back. That's right.
Come on, Gohan. Keep at it.
I will, Mr. Piccolo.
It's my turn now.
That's enough, Gohan. You and I are strong, too. Guess you didn't delay your return a year just to make an entrance.
It's my turn now! This! Here goes!
All right, that's enough training for today.
Fine by me.
Man, you've gotten stronger, Gohan.
You think so?
Of course he has. Unlike other kids, he's already gone up against the likes of Vegeta and Frieza.
Good point.
Being here reminds me of when you first started training me, Mr. Piccolo.
You mean when you were a pathetic ball of tears?
What? No, not that.
Oh, okay. I'm starting to get it. So, this is where you guys trained when I was dead, huh?
Yeah, Mr. Piccolo was super tough on me.
I had no choice in the matter. He was useless to us back then, and I did what I had to do to fix him.
Sorry to put you through that, Piccolo. Gohan's a lot stronger now, and it's all thanks to you. And who knows? If he keeps it up, there's no telling how strong he'll get. Might even get stronger than us.
Stronger than you two? No way.
He'd better. We're gonna be in real trouble if he doesn't.
No kidding. And that's why I'm here to help you guys out. Let's show him how strong you can get in 3 years, Gohan.
Yeah. Speaking of everyone, I wonder what kind of training they're going through.
Vegeta's most likely sticking to himself, off somewhere doing his own thing.
Oh, don't worry about him. I'm sure Vegeta will be fine.
He trained in some sort of room where he had control over gravity. I need to access that room. That annoying woman's old man is the only one who could construct something like that. Where is he? Where is that damn geezer at? Earth towns are more organized than I thought.
Easy prey. You better give it your all. Prepare yourself. Got it. Got it.
You actually held your own against the mighty. Well now, this might be good. Well now. Well now, this might be good.
Hey! Got it. Got it. Prepare yourself. Prepare yourself. Hey! Suit yourself.
That was well now. Easy. Are you ready to die? Got a gun! Can't believe it! Got a gun! Prepare yourself! Impressive! You actually held your own against the mighty Vegeta! Ah! Why, there he is. There you are.
Yes? Can I...
What is going on with that tree?
Basic construction is complete. I just need a few more items.
Yeah, like what?
There aren't a lot of things that can take a beating. This thing has got...
Let's cut to the chase. I finish your shopping and you finish the room.
That's right. You got it. Here's what I need you to get for me. And that about does it for the things I...
You want me to get this, huh?
Hey, thank you. Well, what do you think?
You'll see, Kakaroto. I'm going to push myself further than you and become a Super Saiyan. I'll do whatever it takes until I'm strong enough to beat Kakaroto. There's one. And not just any Super Saiyan. I'm going to become the ultimate Super Saiyan, whose power is far beyond yours. yours. Easy prey. Easy prey. I can think of no greater humiliation than constantly being in your shadow, Kakarot. I'll do whatever it takes to become stronger.
Hey there! You a local on this? Give me what you got, and I might not.
Who the hell are you? Remnants?
Are you Vegeta? What are you? Oh, I get it. With the Frieza Force gone, you. Sorry, but I got here first.
You caught me in a bad mood. That will be your die! Damn space trash. Ooh, what is this power? Well now. Ooh, might keep that apple. This should be worth eating. Well now. Ha! Well now. Damn it. Utter waste of my time. Easy prey. I got what you asked for. That
Now that I have this, the room's as good as ready. All right, it's finished.
Kakarot trained under 100 times gravity. So I'll have to triple that and train under 300 times gravity.
Actually, I wouldn't do that if I were you. Assuming you weigh, say, about 175 or so pounds, that'd be approximately 18 tons of pressure.
That's only 3 times what Kakarot did. There's no way I can't handle it.
That Vegeta is unbelievable. Training under 300 times gravity? Is he trying to kill himself?
Damn it!
Vegeta? What are you doing?
Shut up, woman! Leave me be!
Oh, you don't want my help? Suit yourself.
Why? Why can't I reach his level? I am the Prince of the Saiyans!
Sheesh. There's just no getting through to you, is there? You're insane! Have you been at it this whole time? You're not going to make any progress if you keep this up. Why don't you just ask Goku what he does to turn into a Super Saiyan?
I'd die before I ask for that low-class loser's help!
Yeah? Then why don't you try dying?
What did you say?
I've prepared a special training partner for you in the simulator. Think you can beat them?
Do you have any idea who you're talking to, you ridiculous woman?
You're Vegeta, the almighty Saiyan Prince, right? I guess that settles it then. Good luck! And one more thing. My name's Bulma, not Woman. Think you can remember that? Do you know who you're talking to?
Damn that woman! This place. This is the wasteland where I first fought Kakarot. But how? Consider yourself lucky. A super elite like myself. Wasting his time, damn that blasted woman! You're about to learn the hard way that effort alone isn't enough to reach my level. I will get stronger. I will go beyond Kakarot and this bastard version of myself. Don't believe it! Then you're more disappointing than I thought. You're about to see that there are no limits to my power! Believe it! Prepare yourself! Show me more! You haven't used it all up, have you? You're in for a treat! I haven't begun to tap into my power! Self! I will surpass even myself. I will punish myself for lagging behind Kakarot.
Wow, I guess that wasn't enough of a challenge for you, huh?
You really know how to piss me off.
Oh, come on. I was just messing around with you.
More.
Huh?
You're right, it wasn't enough. You're going to make me a stronger opponent.
Don't you take that tone with me.
I'm going to get stronger and use that strength to crush those androids. You have a problem with that, Bulma?
Fine. You're a real pain, you know that? Wait. He just called me Bulma for the first time, didn't he?
Kakarot, I will surpass you. Just wait. You'll realize that I'm #1.
Hey, Chi-Chi! We're back!
Hi, Mom!
Man, we really worked up a sweat today.
Goku, do you have a second?
Sure, Chi-Chi, but can it wait? I'm starving.
Don't you? I'm starving me! I got a bone to pick with you! Why can't you act more like our neighbors and drive us to the store once in a while?
But Chi-Chi, we don't have a car. And even if we did, I couldn't drive it. I don't have a license.
You need to get a driver's license! You're the only one around here who still doesn't have something that basic!
Piccolo doesn't have one either.
What use would I have for that?
Then you need to go to driver's ed. Think of it as training to become normal everyday people. You're both obsessed with training, right? Then you can't say no.
What?
Why do I have to?
It's easy to find Bulma's place. Just look for the biggest house.
The next day, after catching an earful from Chi-Chi, Goku and Piccolo reluctantly made for town to enroll in driving school.
Now then, shall we begin the driving lesson?
If this is how it's gonna be, then I'm all in. Listen up, Goku. Whether it's in battle or on the road, I'm not losing to you.
All right, I get you. This is a different type of training. It's on, Piccolo!
There's no need to view this as a competition.
Are you all right?
Remember, safety first, okay?
All right, let's do this.
This isn't putting safety first! No, 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 no!
Man, this feels great.
Don't forget about safety! Woohoo! Don't forget about safety!
I bet this thing can go even faster. Man, this feels great.
Woohoo! Don't forget about safety!
We should be able to make it, right? Man, this feels great. Oops, sorry about that.
You lose points for taking your eyes off the road! No, 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 no! Woohoo!
We should be able to make it, right? I bet this thing can go even faster.
Don't forget about safety! No, 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 no! Woohoo!
I bet this thing can go even faster.
Don't forget about safety! No, 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 no! Woohoo!
Man, this feels great. Oops, sorry about that. Uh-oh. Hey, not too bad.
No, 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 no! Woohoo! Don't forget about safety!
We should be able to make it, right? How was that?
Oh my!
All right! Looks like I'm the winner, Piccolo!
Oh, wow. Who are these guys?
One more time, Goku.
Wait! I said wait! A license isn't some prize for bragging rights. It's to ensure that you can drive safely and responsibly.
Like I care about that. I will not accept defeat from the likes of him.
I think I'm starting to get a hang of this whole driving thing, don't you? Let's go, Piccolo. Come on, let's do this thing.
Excuse me!
With pleasure.
What?
It's on, Goku!
Oh yeah, Piccolo? Hey, Chi-Chi! We're back!
Goku, so how'd it go?
Handled it like a complete pro. I beat Piccolo no problem.
You what? I'm not exactly sure what you mean by that, but whatever. Did you get your license?
Oh, actually, there's probably something you should know. I think she told us she'd give us our licenses if we promised to never come back.
So you didn't actually pass the test?
Well, at least you got your license.
Yep.
Now we can buy a car and finally go on those family drives I've been dreaming about.
Well, the thing is, they also said we'd have to pay for all the damages caused during the test. And I can't even guess how much that'd be.
What?
I'm not so good with money, so I'll let you handle that. Thanks, Chi-Chi.
You!
Well, now that that's done, let's get back to training.
Yeah!
Mom?
Whoa, Chi-Chi. You all right?
I know it wasn't easy, but you finally got your license, Goku. I'm proud of you. Now all we need is a car.
A car? Do we even have money for that kind of purchase?
Well, not after paying back the city for all of the damages you caused when you were taking the test to get your driver's license. I'm counting on you to get us that car, Goku.
Oh, right. I see. Sorry about that. Hey, why don't I ask Bulma? She's a whiz with machines.
Good idea! Bulma always has a solution up her sleeve.
That's true. I guess I'll hit her up about it then.
You do that!
Oh, hey, Goku. What brings you here?
Well, it's not a big deal, but I was hoping you could help me with a little problem.
Sure. What's up?
Not sure if you heard, but Chi-Chi made me get a driver's license, which is fine, but the thing is, now she wants a car. Got an extra one lying around in those tiny capsules?
Doesn't that beat all? Earth's champion, now a licensed driver. Sure, I can get you a car.
Seriously?
You don't strike me as a responsible driver. Any normal car would turn to scrap with you behind the wheel. Find me the stuff I need, and I'll hook you up with an extra sturdy set of wheels.
All right then. So what do you think we need?
It's all on this list. Be sure to refer to it when you're out scavenging so you don't forget anything. Oh, and one more thing. Leave all matters of maintenance and upgrades to me.
Excellent! Thanks a lot, Bulma.
Don't mention it. After all, happy wife, happy life.
I'm home, Chi-Chi!
Wow! Did you get us a car?
After I round up a bunch of materials, Bulma's gonna make one for us.
Really? That's wonderful, Goku! Then you'd better get to finding those materials. I'm sure it'll be good training, too.
I don't know if I'd go that far, but then again, you never know till you try. All right. What should I do today?
Dad! Mom's calling for you!
Really? Okay. Hey, Piccolo, do you think you could take Gohan and train him for a while? At least until I can catch up.
Fine.
Goku? I just got a call from Master Roshi. He said launch is back at Kame House.
Oh, yeah? Talk about a blast from the past! So what's going on with her?
I'm not sure, but he said she wanted to talk to you about something.
But I've got training to do.
Don't you dare be disrespectful to Master Roshi. Just head over there and hear them out.
Oh... Yeah, you're right. Guess I'll make my way over there.
Be careful.
Well, better get going, I guess.
Do what you can.
Wonder what's going on with Master Roshi.
Hey!
Found some tasty looking food. We got a keeper. Yo!
Hey. Hey!
Yeah! I really want to get back to my training. All right. How's this? Oh, get a load of that. This one looks pretty tasty. All right. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, get a load of that. This one looks pretty tasty. All right. Oh, get a load of that. This one looks pretty tasty. All right. Yeah! Oh, get a load of that. This one looks pretty tasty. All right. How's this? Oh, get a load of that. This one looks pretty tasty. All right. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, get a load of that. This one looks pretty tasty. All right. Oh, get a load of that. This one looks pretty tasty. All right. Yeah! Well, get a load of that. This one looks pretty tasty. Huh?
Damn it!
See ya!
You piece of crap! Hey!
What's that? Well, now. Well, now.
Yajirobe hasn't changed a bit.
Damn it!
Well, now. Well, now.
Well, better get going, I guess. Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now.
You!
Yep. All right. Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. All right. Not too much longer now.
Ah, there you are, Goku. Would you mind listening to what...
Launch! It's been a while. Someone forget...
What's up? I'll tell you what's up. Tien, all Three Eyes is back in the Promised Land.
Yeah. Something wrong?
Being that he cheated death and all, I thought a visit was in order.
Then why don't you just go?
I did, but he wasn't home. I've been by time and time again with no luck. Apparently, the oaf's out traveling the world, training. Hasn't been back since. I ain't got the foggiest idea where he could be.
That makes two of us. I don't know either.
Ah, don't give me that. You can fly. Find him for me. Come on, I'm begging ya.
What? You can sense energy, you dolt. Zeroing in on him should be a piece of cake.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. Sorry to blank out on you there, Master Roshi. Let's see now. Tien. All right, got him. Hey, he's near my house.
What? You found him already?
Yep, if that's all, I'll be on my merry...
You idiot! I'm not ready yet. I wasn't expecting you to find him so fast. Seeing him requires, you know, preparation. Why don't you try to keep him busy till I'm done? Got it? I'll be quick.
Sheesh. You try to be nice to people.
Hey!
Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. I'm pumped up and ready to go. Ha! Try this! Yeah! Ah! Oh, yeah! Try this! Yeah! should train some more. I can tell this thing's got lots of energy. This looks like a great apple. Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. Might cause some... All right, let's do this! Right there! Right there! You know, you should train some more.
What's the matter?
I just need to see Tien.
Goku, a rare pleasure.
So, someone asked me to find... Let's just say she...
That's so. But it looks like I'll be on the move.
Seriously?
Well, perhaps we can... How's this sound? Let me test the results of my... on you.
Is that all? Shoot, I'd do that for free.
It's been far too long. Here I come! Now! Solar fire!
Not good.
It's my turn now!
Whoa!
You never cease to amaze me.
Likewise, Tien. You've gotten a lot stronger.
Apparently not strong enough, but learning that is a milestone in itself. As promised, I'll wait for this mystery guest. Through my sparring with you, I discovered a few things I need to improve. I think I'll train here for a little while longer. Do you mind?
Go for it, Tien!
Thanks. By the way, who is it that wants to meet me?
Oh, crap! I left that part out. It's launch.
Oh. You have no idea how much that makes me want to get back to training. But a promise is a promise. Tell her she can find me here.
You bet!
Thanks, Goku!
I'll be training here with Chaozu for the time being.
Yep. I bet it's freezing. I could see. All right. Yep. Try this. All right. Try this. All right. All right. Is he taking a cat nap? Is he taking a cat nap?
Hey, I'm so glad you're back! Well, did you find Tien?
Sure did. Listen up. So just go to the place I told you about, and he'll be there waiting.
Reunited at last. This has been a long time in the making. Thanks. Here, this is for you. I fixed some grub to take with me, but went a little overboard.
Thanks. You know me, I'd never turn down.
Hold on to your hat, Tien.
If I can push myself just a little bit.
I see you're hard at work as always, Vegeta.
What do you want?
I've made some slight modifications to the training room. Would you like to see what I came up with?
Oh? Go on then.
I knew you'd be interested. Come with me. She's a new researcher I've hired to help me work on the training room upgrade. Be nice to her, Vegeta.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Fine.
Allow me to explain the new feature to you.
Interesting. I might have to give this thing a try now. yourself! Ha!
We should have room for a few more upgrades, but we're a little short on power. If you find any large sources of energy, give them to my fellow researcher here, and she should be able to make the necessary improvements.
Got it.
So, are you ready to begin your training?
How's your training going?
Mind your own business.
Well, don't overdo it. Though I'm sure someone as tough as you will be just
You've got that right.
That should put Bulma's mind at ease then. Whoops.
Just you wait, Kakarot. It won't be long until you're struggling to keep up with him.
That took longer than I thought it would. I'd better hurry back to pick... Oh man, I bet everyone's stronger now that they've been training.
Very well. Later! Very well. Later! Huh?
I sure am ready to eat this fish. Gohan's improved a lot. I bet he's only gonna keep getting stronger. Oh man, I bet everyone's stronger now that they've been training. I bet everyone's stronger now that they've been training. Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. I have no idea what to expect with these androids. But I really want to test my moves on them. I need to train up and get stronger than ever so I can take... Whoa! This stone's extra hard. Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this. I'm pumped up and ready to go. Here goes! I can tell this thing's got lots of energy.
Michael? Hi, Dad. Welcome.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
I know. Glad to hear it.
You're late. What have you...
Sorry. But I did manage to get in a good bit of...
I figured as much.
Sorry about that.
How's the training coming along, Goku? If you have any
I have to keep training.
How's the training coming along, Goku? We've done so much to prepare. Guess we're about to find out.
Right.
Three years had passed, and the fated day of May 12th had finally come.
All right, you three be careful out there. You sure you don't want to take some lunch?
No, we're good, Mom. Thanks.
Sorry, Chi-Chi. All right, we're off! It's probably nothing.
Hey, Goku, tell me the truth. These androids, do you think we have a chance against these guys?
I honestly can't tell you if we do. I won't know until we actually fight them. Gohan, take it easy, okay? Don't worry, we've got plenty of time. Don't use up all that power of yours before the fight even starts.
Oh, sorry.